and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumantabam. First headlines. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand disburses 91.67 crore rupees financial assistance to 2.4 lakh beneficiaries under 17 welfare schemes across Manipur. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes and NCST requests state and donor to submit action taken report on proposed dedicated road corridor project. And MPCC stages massive protest against intention of Rahul Gandhi, urges government to take immediate steps to safeguard students' lives. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister Y. Khemchand distributed financial benefits worth 91.67 crore rupees to 2,40,758 beneficiaries across 17 welfare schemes, while launching the integrated monthly pension processing system today. The financial benefits distribution cum integrated monthly pension processing system launching ceremony held at the City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal, was organized by the Social Welfare Department. The event was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Lucy Diko, Home Minister Govindas Kontaujam, Arts and Culture Minister Kuraijam Lukain, several MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal and Social Welfare Department Commissioner Hawam Rosita. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand emphasized the severe hardships and suffering endured by all communities during the ongoing state crisis, which has now lasted for more than 3 years. Further expressing disappointment that the prolonged unrest has severely divided the state to the point where communities can no longer enter each other's areas, he appealed to all warring communities to stop blaming each other and strive for peaceful coexistence. Reflecting on the significance of the event, Khemchand explained that the financial benefits for the 17 welfare schemes had been pending for the past 2 years and released today following a crucial meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Chief Minister also urged the citizens to build a strong work culture, expressing optimism that it could drive the state back towards progress and development.
प्रजासिंग अवाब मेनगनी हाइबी नुआइबुदि फाउजि अदुना अफबा सागतपा लेबाक अमा ओइरपा हाइबसि सुमनगी शांति लेबा लेबा सुबन नोमकन लेबा अमा ओइबा ताबनि कांगुप मसेनगी मरक्ता मुखतरगा अमना अमगे फतबा हाइरगा अमना अमगे सिंगनाबा होरगा इगोई मणिपुर सि सखतपा यारोय अदुना मणिपुर लेमिनरिबा तोआ तोआ कांगुप सिंसि एकोइ पुन्ना मणिपुरी ने हाइना वखन खमिनरकांदा एकोइ तुंग ओइबा
The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes NCST has initiated action on 2 representations submitted by social activist Pangminlan Haukip concerning issues affecting scheduled tribe communities in Manipur. In a letter on July 21, the Commission forwarded his representation on the proposed dedicated humanitarian road corridor for the hill areas of Manipur to the Chief Secretary of Manipur and the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, MDONA. The letter directed them to take appropriate action and submit a report within 45 days. On the same day, the NCST also issued a formal notice to the Director General of Police Manipur. It sought detailed report within 30 days on allegations relating to the large-scale looting of state armories and discrepancies in weapon recovery that were claimed to have endangered scheduled tribe communities. The Commission stated that it is exercising its constitutional powers under Article 338A of the Constitution of India to inquire into the matter and may invoke its powers of a civil court if the required response is not submitted within the stipulated time. Protests erupted in Manipur today as Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC organized a major rally demanding immediate resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on moral grounds following ongoing examination irregularities. Marching from the Congress Bhavan in Imphal to the Lok Bhavan, demonstrators voiced strong resentment over the recent detention of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi by Delhi police during a student-led agitation in the national capital. MPCC condemned the police crackdown and called for urgent safeguards to protect the future of the nation's youth. Following the rally, a high-level Congress delegation led by former Chief Minister and MPCC President Okram Ibobi met with Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bala at the Lok Bhavan to hand over a formal 4-point memorandum. The submission highlighted main demands including swift resignation of Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, decisive parliamentary resolution ensuring standardized examination procedures. The demand also included immediate withdrawal of all FIRs filed against student protesters in Delhi and concrete measures under a safe Manipur charter to restore normalcy and protect lives across the state.
Manipuri ma Manipuri ma Manipuri Punsi Rahul Gandhi Bhava Dharmendra Pradhan
Democracy satpalay pa amada ngarang chau khraba Lok Sabha gi opposition leader mabu si Rahul Gandhi ji da taukiba manner moina detail tawga pung kaya thamkiba adusu Rahul ji gi demand si atai na tieba need ki question leak oi bse masigi responsibility oiba daita lobham thokba union education minister se should be resign immediately on moral ground da karigino haibabu India da youth sing particularly chhatra sing students sing se moigi future laitre any type of examination se clearly yamna clean noina tawbiba masi khapta laire masi su loina ba thingjel lakna business ki type ta chathare e shima haiba shape students haibadi India ki future kanba haibane ba Sri Rahul ji na haridi democracy.
Kuki CSO Working Committee WCK CSO Sukrul has issued a 24-hour ultimatum to the district administrations of Imphal East, Kangpokpi and Ukhrul, demanding safe and unhindered movement of essential commodities to Kuki CSO inhabited areas. In a press statement issued, the committee alleged that repeated incidents of confiscation and destruction of essential goods had continued, despite assurances given by Ukhrul DC during a meeting on June 25. It said incidents were reported at Wunghon, Saijang and most recently Sogvao. The committee expressed concern over the continued blockade of National Highway 2 at Senapati and Kanglatombi, stating that National Highway 202 had become the only viable route for transporting essential supplies. It said the Kuki CSO community had continued to allow escorted movement of hundreds of vehicles through its areas in good faith, but alleged that vehicles carrying supplies meant for Kuki CSO civilians had repeatedly been intercepted. This has resulted in reported confiscation and destruction of goods worth nearly 10 lakh rupees. The committee urged authorities to take immediate steps to ensure safe and uninterrupted movement of essential commodities and to prevent further alleged incidents of confiscation. The committee warned that if no action is taken within 24 hours, it would enforce a 3-day counter-economic blockade beginning at 12 midnight on July 23. It stated that responsibility for any consequences arising from the proposed action would rest with the authorities concerned. The proscribed Zeliarong United Front ZUF Wednesday expressed strong resentment against the anti-people activities and divisive agenda of the NSC and IM in Zeliarong inhabited areas. In a press release issued, the outfit alleged that the NSC and IM was attempting to recruit Zeliarong youths as volunteers by using the ongoing conflict narrative with the Kuki community to create fear, confusion and division among the people. The ZUF alleged that such activities were damaging the unity, progress and peaceful coexistence of the Zeliarong community. It claimed that the organization had been working for peace and harmony among different communities in the state and accused certain elements of disturbing the peace process as selfish and expansionist interest. The outfit further alleged that 6 to 7 illegal checkposts had been established along National Highway 37 by NSC and IM cadres and their associates, leading to harassment of commuters, transporters and civilians. The ZUF warned individuals, groups and organizations allegedly supporting the NSC and IM and Kamsun group while appealing to the public to avoid provocative propaganda on social media. Security forces arrested a self-styled captain of the banned Pre-Park Pro on July 21. According to Manipur police, the arrested Pre-Park Pro cadre has been identified as 43-year-old Lorimbam Kumar Meitei, also known as Kantu, Naubi and Abung of Haubamarag Lorimbam Laikai in Imphal West District. He was apprehended at Lilong Alia Lamkhai under the jurisdiction of the Lilong police station and a .32 pistol with magazine was recovered from his possession. Now before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Ayek apan ana ayek jamam nabalay taba nungayay faba punsi amagidamag Mahaguru Spirituality, Astro-Numerologist, Reiki Grandmaster, Lamafera Grandmaster, Tarot Card Reader, Acharya Lilu Haudizamga consult winning basingna ngasidagi hauraga July 13 fauba offline consultation amadi August amadagi hauraga online consultation gi registration tawbibayagani hen akupamarol gidamag contact number 9667619777 Natraga office address Infinite Intuitions Energy Institute Private Limited Kagwa office opposite Kagwa Police Station da Tanabiyo.
Baikotana piri maruchik patin sing daging athok patanatana atopa kanaba sing khudamuina pambi singbu marahena sathanba amasung phau pambi singbu masahena pokhanduna phauthok asuki matik lehale matam sangna tin tahande hanjan hidak sajana bagi mathau tahande buyers ke baikota lau balomi singda thajobaga loinana hena saukhat halle amasung lomi singda akiba amata lehande Buyer Council Activity Pauthava Singkhaki Ngathong Navasemani. Amasung Hidagasina, Napi Makal Kudimak Mangan Bangame. Sumnatangi Pohun Krabanatraga Link Krabamatung Numini Pani Dagina, Tarani Toyfogi Manunda Season of Bigadabane. Quaidigi Satiba Napi Makal Kudimak Pusu Mangan Bangame. Maramasina Kuling Nepiki Sading Hantale, Loinana Adongi Sentok Hengat Halle. Lomi Singi the Muktadi, Buyers Council Active-na, Quaidigi Faraba Pambaidi.
Watching SKTV Afternoon English News, more news and updates. Under the supervision of Bishnupur DC Pooja Ilangwam, Bishnupur District Administration provided urgent aid to flood-affected residents. Working alongside Indian Red Cross Society, IRCS Bishnupur District Branch and local club members, officials distributed essential relief items door-to-door to around 200 households across Nambol Kongkham, Mamang, Kongkham Mayai and Kongkham Makha. The relief drive was initiated after a 30-foot bridge in the Nambol River embankment at Salanfam inundated several homes and caused severe distress to local families. Nambol SDO, BDO and IRCS Chairman Tongbram Shyamkumar, SDC Toidingjam Shambunat and Bishnupur Municipal Council Chairperson Laishram Maniyaima attended the relief drive. They were joined by IRCS Secretary Dr. Huidrom Romain, Treasurer Marangthem Ibuhanbi, Program Coordinators Soibam Rakesh Kumar and Longjam Ronaldo, District Administration staff and local youth club volunteers. Film Forum Manipur FFM paid rich floral tributes to renowned Manipuri filmmaker O.K. Namakcham during a solemn ceremony at its Lumfield supermarket office. Prominent directors, artists and important figures of the state's film fraternity gathered to honor his legacy and express deep condolences over his demise. Speaking at the event, FFM Chairman in Charge Surjit Kantra Ningthaukongjam Surjit Bibi highlighted the late veteran's immense contributions to the industry. He noted that beyond serving as FFM's vice chairman for over 2 decades, O.K. Namakcham was a multifaceted, dynamic personality who excelled as an actor, director, producer and music director. Bibi Surjit concluded that his passing leaves an irreplaceable void in Manipur's cinema world.
Yambasi Hingligi Matamda Masasi, actor the Horaga, film director, Amadi music director, Saglon Yamba Yambani, Mangna Lake the Vasi, Equileva Koiba, Amato Mangjaba, Manipur in Hatare, Yam Mangjaba, Adugumba, only Hajake, the Yamasan Lake the Vichi, Yami from the Equi film with Homisina, Lay Manam and Kata, Chungani Kalaga, film the Chin Chung, Koi Silang Mayana, Nasisi, Koi Yami, Photosida, Lay Manam and Kata with Tawaram in a Langeri.
Television and Cine Foundation TCF celebrated its 20th Foundation Day at Waring Chingra, Nongdam in Imphal East District today. The event, attended by prominent personalities from the art, culture and media sectors, highlighted TCF's 2-decade journey in advancing the Manipuri film industry. TCF has actively nurtured Manipuri cinema by earnestly striving towards producing high-quality films and offering financial assistance to members facing medical hardships. The gathering also paid tribute to the recent demise of filmmaker O.K. Namakcham and former Film Forum Manipur chairman K.H. Kuleshwar. Home Science Association Manipur HSAM celebrated its 53rd Foundation Day today at Brajalal Higher Secondary School in Moirangkum, emphasizing the expanding scope and relevance of the discipline. The commemorative event was also attended by Brajalal Higher Secondary School Principal Marina Huidrom and former HSAM President S. Damayanti. Addressing the gathering, HSAM President H. Anuradha stressed the critical need to educate both boys and girls in home science, highlighting its modern applications. She stated that the association was founded with the primary objective of supporting women and pursuing the subject and raising awareness about its importance among rural communities. Anuradha went on to underscore the vital role home science plays in driving skill development and economic self-reliance. The 33rd Foundation Day of Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited was celebrated today at its office located at Luklaubung. Speaking on the occasion, Managing Director of the financial institution, W. Guneshwar, recalled that the society was established in the year 1993. He highlighted that through the dedication of its employees and continuous support of public, the institution has successfully reached its 33-year milestone today. Reflecting on the challenges faced over the decades, Guneshwar noted that while numerous financial institutions emerged in the region about 20 years ago, most of them eventually collapsed. He further pointed out that Imphal Finance also faced severe hardships due to COVID-19 pandemic and the unrest that erupted on May 3, 2023. However, owing to the competence, resilience and efficiency of the staff, the society managed to overcome these hurdles and maintain its present steady standing. Elaborating on the services provided, the Managing Director mentioned that the institution continues to extend various financial facilities to the public, including vehicle loans, electronic appliance loans, gold mortgages, pensioner loans, service loans and business loans. As part of the anniversary program, awards were presented to outstanding staff members from Thobal branch, Vishnupur branch, MG Avenue branch, Luklaubung branch and Pauna Bazar branch to encourage and recognize their sincere performance.
Hinjaraise, Mayamnagi support Nasu, Adigi, Lady Stapi missing su, Stapi missing Tawayana, sincerity and Tabak Bagisu, Equating Mungam Devani, Luna Luna, Equagi, Manipur the Lady Miam sing the su, Aquina, Tawisiam, the proud in Aquina, Hele, Havanate, the Woodable Equina Tawisum, Transparency Lina, Amaga Maga, Yamna, Corporation Pinaraga, Tabak Torum Chipantolagadi, any Tabak Tawuda, my Pakane have walked to
In commemoration of the 20th death anniversary of late Ningthogjam Rajendro, Liklam Permaculture Food Forest Garden organized a tree plantation drive. The event took place around the garden located at Maharaj Kulai along Kurikul Road in Imphal West. Several prominent figures actively participated in the drive, including former principal of DM College of Arts, Shilaramani, and Range Forest Officer Y. Kiranjit from the Central Forest Division, Manipuri. They were joined by local dignitaries and environmental enthusiasts who planted saplings to expand green cover and raise awareness about permaculture in the region. Moving on in the weather report. India Meteorological Department IMD Meteorological Center Imphal has forecast scattered to fairly widespread rain and thunder showers across Manipur from July 22 to 28, with thunderstorms and lightning likely at isolated places in all districts. The districts of Tamenglong, Senapati, Kangpokpi, Imphal West, Imphal East, Ukhrul, Kamjong, Jiribam, Noni, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Kakching, Teknopal, Chandil, Churachandpur and Farzul are expected to witness rain and thunderstorm activity during the period. The IMD has warned of thunderstorms with lightning and isolated heavy rainfall in districts including Tamenglong, Senapati, Ukhrul, Kamjong, Jiribam, Noni, Teknopal, Chandil, Churachandpur and Farzul on different days between July 22 and 26. On the other hand, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 29.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 22 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 100% in the morning and 82% in the evening. Manipur received 11.51 millimeter of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Now, before we wrap up for this afternoon, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand disburses 91.67 crore rupees financial assistance to 2.4 lakh beneficiaries under 17 welfare schemes across Manipur. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes and CST requests state and donor to submit action taken report on proposed dedicated road corridor project. And MPCC stages massive protest against detention of Rahul Gandhi, urges government to take immediate steps to safeguard students' lives. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.